What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Budget Rebuild. Sorry we had a little hiatus there. Life just caught up with us.
We're back. Corona, life, the holidays.
We're back. You moving?
Me moving.
We're back.
We're back.
So we'll catch you up real quick on all of our projects, what's going on, where the status of where they're at, and we haven't started this one yet too. So I'm gonna put some gas in it, get the dash on it, so y'all can at least see the first start of this one.
Also, let us know, leave a comment down below. We've got some other projects besides just the Harleys. We've got some, a 73 Bronco?
73 Bronco. We got two 78 Cherokee Chiefs. We'll show you those in just a minute and see if, y'all leave us a comment, let us know if you want to see us, the project on those too. We got another burnt bike, 100th anniversary Softail. And then we have in this electric glide that's got some cool stuff done to it too that, see if y'all want to see that build also.
Lots of stuff, but we'll go ahead and catch you guys up.
So first I say we go ahead and get some gas in this thing, and we'll go ahead and bolt the dash on it and see if she starts. So. So we got the dash in this bike, about to start it, but the battery's dead on it, so we'll have to put a jump box on it. I didn't even talk about this. This was the other of the two burnt bikes that we got in the same fire. This was the second one, the 07 Heritage Softail that was dark gray. We painted it silver and black. I went ahead and put on these Samson 39-inch fishtails. We put fat spoke wheels on it, new white walls. And y'all remember how bad all the chrome was and stuff. I replaced the rocker covers and the cam chest cover. Everything else I pretty much just brought back. The forks, as you remember, were real rough, but I put those on a polisher and got them looking like that. We put some 14-inch 8 hangers on it with all new steel braided cables and stuff. I still need to zip tie them all up where they go and stuff, and we put a new Saddleman seat on it. I put the luggage rack back on it just because I kind of like the way it looks. Y'all leave in the comments if I should take that thing off or leave it on there. I kind of like it. I kind of dig it right now. But we got it gassed up. We'll go ahead and put a jump box on it and see if it'll fire off. And keep in mind, I had to do, this is a 07, so it had security on it. So like I did on my last bike, I had to put in the turn signal module instead of the turn signal security module and marry the two together. I did that in a past video too, so I've already done that. Not even trying. Might need to put it on a charger like overnight. Yeah, it's gonna have to be charged before I can do anything with that. Well, scratch that. We tried. So this is our 05 electric glide. Somebody's put a bunch of money in it. It's got apes and new steel braided cables, chrome forks, chrome wheels, and it's got a bill motor. I have no idea what's done to it, but it's got compression releases. It's got an HPI. Throttle body on it. We'll go ahead and post an idle video of it. It sounds rowdy. I actually love this bike. We currently have it for sale for $5,500, but I kind of want to do my build with it with a stretch fender and stretch bags and all that other stuff because it doesn't really need much, and it's a fun bike. I'd like to have it as a personal bike, honestly. But yeah, let us know if you want to see this built. And then we have our 03 anniversary bike over here. Now this one was in the same fire as the other two bikes, but it didn't go through at the same time. So when it did come through, went ahead and bought it, and I kind of polished up the paint. You want to see if you can zoom in? The paint's actually fine on it, like it's perfect. Just like the other ones, all the plastic stuff's melted off of it, but the paint's fine. The wheels on this one are a little bit rougher shaped than the ones that came off my 07, so I think what we'll do is put the 07 wheels on this with some new white walls, clean up the paint, put all new controls and stuff on it, maybe some apes and a lowering kit, and then of course the chrome on this one's way worse than the 07, so we'll probably put new oil tank, new rocker covers, cam chest cover, trans covers, and of course the speedometer, because they're all burnt up on these. But don't want to go all wild with this one and spend a bunch of money for new wheels. I think we just kind of want to go back to stock and then get it going and post it for sale too. These are our two 1978 Jeep Cherokee Chiefs. So they're both super rare. They're both two-door, full-size Jeeps. This one's in a lot better shape than this one. They're both fairly complete, and both of them have been sitting since about 2016, so they haven't started in at least 5 years. That one's got a 360 and a manual transmission. This one's a 401 and a turbo 400 automatic, but this one was supposed to have been running when it parked. And that one's kind of rusty. We're just gonna probably get that one kind of half-assed running and sell it like it is. This one I'd like to get running, maybe even paint it. The previous owner had sanded it down, got it primed up and everything, and then just let it set, so it's got a little bit of surface rust and stuff. But the tires are new. Supposedly it's had a bunch of work done on it already. We're just gonna have to get some fresh fuel in it, a hot battery, and spin it over and see what kind of shape it's in, see if we can get it driving. So let us know if you have any interest in watching us build this. I know it's different than the Harleys that we normally do, but I think it'd be pretty cool to see something so old get going after sitting for as long as it has. So let us know in the comments what you think. And we'll go ahead and do a quick walk around, show you the inside and outside. Obviously we haven't washed them, we haven't touched them, we haven't done anything. They've been sitting under a tree since 2016, like I said. Alright, so we've had the charger on it overnight, and we've put a gallon of gas in here. Fingers crossed, let's see if she runs. Fuel pump works. Not even hitting.
Is that in it?
Not even trying. I can still hear the fuel pump running. Let me put some starting fluid in it and see what it does. Alright. So I guess it's not getting fuel, even though it's got gas in it. And I can hear the pump running. I don't know if y'all can hear that on the video, but the pump's definitely running. And I almost kind of wonder, these bikes that were all in the fire, I think they were in a shop. There's a good chance that maybe there was something wrong with it. Maybe that's why it was at the shop. So let me try it one more time, see if it does anything. Not even hitting the lick. Alright, well I have a spare fuel line off of another bike. So what I'm going to do is plug it into the petcock over here and then turn it on and see if we got any fuel pressure coming out of it. I guess next order of business is to pull the sending unit out and let's see what we got going on. So we've gone as far as we can get on here. I went ahead and ordered the plastic fuel line that goes from the pump to the filter in there. So I just got to wait on that before we can get her started and see how it runs and dries from there. But yeah, let us know in the comments what you think about some of the other projects if you want to see all that. And in the next video, right now my plan is to get started on our 2003 Heritage and start building it back up too.
And don't forget, if you guys haven't already, like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification for us. See you in the next one.
Thanks y'all. See ya.